Let me show you how you can use YouTube for affiliate marketing. YouTube is one of the most powerful social media you can use for your affiliate business. And I paid to learn this stuff and I'm going to share with you for free. This is the training that I bought. The name is Freedom Accelerator. You can see the screen. These are the lessons: YouTube traffic ecosystem, YouTube setup, metrics, YouTube content hacking exercise, and it has all the information about how to grow YouTube. The first thing you need to do is a keyword research. For example, my channel is about make money online with affiliate marketing, and I try to rank for those keywords. And I use two softwares to do the research: Keywords Everywhere and TubeBuddy. For example, if I write affiliate marketing keywords everywhere, tell me that the searches per month are 823,000. Then if I go to TubeBuddy to check the weighted score, TubeBuddy tells me that this keyword is poor for my YouTube channel. That means if I create a video and I put this keyword as a title, my video is not going to rank. If you download the free version of TubeBuddy, you are going to see only the unweighted score. And this is a general score. And if you want to see the weighted score, you need to use the paid version. What I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to write a long tail keyword to see if I can increase my score. For example, if I add for beginners in 2023, you can see that this is a very good keyword. This strategy is powerful because if you can find a keyword that has 100, you're going to have a high probability to rank in the first spots. And once you have uploaded the video, you need to put the same keyword in the first paragraph of the description. And also you need to put the keywords in the tags. And that is going to help you with the SEO score of the video. Once you have done that, you need to be persistent at creating videos every day. Basically, that is how you can grow your YouTube channel for affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn how to choose the product, how to build a 24/7 sales system, you can go to my YouTube channel and watch this video, how to make money with Digistore 24. And if you want to learn from the training that is helping me to make commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.